Hey guys, it's Gaxionan here, and today we are doing an outdoor vlog. So, I'm here with...
Ruby's gonna crack an acorn.
I am. Okay, so we are in a gazebo right now at the Audubon,
Come on. Close up view of a cracked acorn.
and we are gonna crack some acorns, people. Hey people, we're cracking acorns.
That thing's
Oh,
rotten.
oh, wow,
This
ew.
one's not gonna be rotten.
Ew.
This one's gonna be nice. I know it is. Watch. Alright, guys.
Wait, where is it? Where is it?
Ready? Right here.
Oh, no.
Go.
Oh.
Look
Oh.
at the inside of that.
Oh. It's, I'm
Zoom in
zooming.
on it.
I did.
So tell me you
Oh,
can make Oscar
wait.
what you did when
You
you
could make acorn cookies.
Yeah.
I made acorn cookies when I came to the Audubon in Ipswich.
Yeah, I did, didn't you?
Do not live in Ipswich.
Yeah.
Here's a perfect little acorn.
Where?
Mom's wearing her Fruity Odie
Should I crack it?
bar shirt.
You can crack it if you want.
Wait, is this
Do you
your
really want
perfect
me to crack
acorn?
No, you crack it. We'll leave it for the animals.
Okay, let's do this.
See you. Crock it itch. Wait.
How? That thing's hard.
Ooh.
Ooh.
They're all.
Gosh. This is. Look at how rotten that thing is.
Wait, let me see.
Is that you sure it's rotten or is that the?
That's not rotten. That's. Whoa. Whack. Whacked on that.
All right, so we are searching for acorns. We're on the acorn
Oh
hunt.
my god, look at how little.
Wait. Let me see.
No.
Okay. Whoa.
Oh, I'm gonna crack this.
Look at all of these.
Feast, baby.
It was like a
Okay,
animal
I'm gonna crack it. I
feast.
found one.
Beautiful
I'm gonna
view.
crack it in 3, 2. Oh.
Wait, we need to zoom. Oh.
god.
Oh, wait, let me wait.
Oh.
Oh, wait 1 second. Ew. We don't need to see that.
Oh my god. It goes forever, Ruby.
1 second.
It just goes around.
Ha
Completely around.
Oh my god.
That's crazy.
All right, so we are at the Audubon. I don't know if you heard. We are at the Ipswich Audubon.
It's a job on.
Yep, Ipswich Audubon. That's Mama. Say hi.
Hello.
So, yeah.
Let's go through the trail.
You want to go back to
No,
the?
I won't go that way. I want to.
Fail caught on camera.
Do you want to go down? Do you want to go down to the canoes and the observation tower?
Let's up there first.
Okay. This way's cool too.
Want me, guys? Next time we're gonna show a video of fails with Oscar. All the times Oscar has failed. See that again.
Did you actually catch a trip?
Yeah. Yeah. All right, so we're going. See this? It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. And then it comes to Oscar. Yeah.
And
Walk
we have
on
a
a kite.
gaming channel. Me and Ruby, we made our own gaming channel.
Yeah, it's gonna be
Right now,
called
It used to be my channel, gaming channel, but now it's gonna be called the Gaming Twins.
Gaming Twins coming out soon.
Yeah.
So
If the name's taken,
Yeah.
I'd be so mad.
yes, it would be very angry.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Nuthatch. No, it's not a nuthatcher. What the? Tough to tip.
There's nothing here.
I need birdseed. Get some birdseed, Ruby. Get some birdseed.
Oh my god.
Come on, get some birdseed.
Ooh, I'm zooming in on your nostrils.
Oops.
Haha.
Sorry.
Nostrils. All right.
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at that. Look at that view.
In case we get lost, I like to have it. Gaze up, Ruby. Rube. Shut it off for a little while.
Okay.
Okay, guys. See you later.
We're gonna see you later a little bit, okay? Okay. So we're gonna roll a clip of us feeding the birds. Right now, it's a couple, I don't know, minutes ago. Let's go.
It does.
I can't do this anymore.
It's fun.
Where's the bird seed?
This
Can I
thing.
have some?
You want some of mine, Dallin? Oh. Wow, he's trusting. We're all moving around and everything. He's just like, what up?
What, my dudes?
Hold yours up. Hold yours up a little higher, Oscar.
Is that hard?
There you go.
Mark? Any Mark? Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Post this on Instagram if you think for Tuesday. So fluffy. I'm gonna die.
Don't tickle us, I'm gonna die.
It's really ticklish, but it's so fun. We're actually feeding wild animals, which is so awesome. Oh, remember where I dropped bird seed? Look at all.
Take as much as you want, I don't care. I just want to see. Oh, that's the titty.
Oh, that's a nuthatcher.
Don't say that.
All right, this is on video. Perfect.
All right.
Okay, so we're almost at the end. So
panting.
yeah, he's panting. He's fell a lot this time around.
Check out our gaming channel.
Yep, we're gonna start the Gaming Twins coming
Well,
soon.
Well, I already have some YouTube videos
Yeah.
uploaded, but on it. But we're just gonna do a lot of Minecraft. I'll see if I can do multiplayer Fortnite, which is a game that Ruby loves to watch me play.
And
I
he
love to
plays.
play. But I think Ruby and me would have some fun doing that.
And
Yeah,
we're gonna do some Overwatch. Overwatch.
Spider-Man,
And some other stuff.
Forza, and everything
I
like
think
that.
we got yeah.
a lot of games.
So-
Subnautica too.
Yeah, so like, subscribe, comment down below, thumbs up, and bye.